Welcome to Easy Now Project Management demo. In this video, we will understand how to use this particular portal for daily routine activities. First, to log into this portal, you need to go to any browser and type accent.easynow.app. Alternatively, you can use this portal on your mobile as well. You can go to Play Store and search Easy Now. Once you have this, you are requested to enter your username and password. Your username and password will be provided to you by your management. Let us log in with the current password that I have. So when you log into the system, you will get to see a dashboard. Now, since we are implementing this particular project in step by step milestones, we will understand daily task allocation and work progress in this demo today. So now whenever you want to create a new task, you will go here and create a new task. Now here you are requested to enter the title of the task. Let's say you are creating a task for drafting. So you are doing a drafting work. So you will write down drafting work title. Um, you will write the deadline for completion of this task. Let's say 13th 10 a.m. Then if you have any description regarding this task, you will write here. Now we will choose like who will execute this particular task. So let's say we decide Aniket Parab is going to perform this task. Here in checklist, let's say you choose the drafting checklist. So automatically the milestones will come here. So it needs to be completed within these four tasks. Again, you can plan by what time, by what date and time this will be completed, by what time this will be completed. So you can plan these activities. Okay. Now you want to assign someone as a reviewer of this task, you can assign a reviewer. Mm. Then you can also decide the priority of the task and you will save this task. The task will get saved and the person who gets this task will be notified using notification as well. Now this is the detailed view of the task. Here you will see since I am using Santosh sir's ID, so Santosh Mestri is created by and created on time. Here I have assigned by, assigned to, execution date is here. Then Prajakta is going to be the reviewer. Current status is pending. Uh, yeah. Now this the checklist that we have used is drafting. This is the description of the task, and now you have this task which are these are the checklists which are pending over here. Now suppose if I complete this task, I will just mark it completed. So once I complete this, and if I have any kind of remark over here, I'll write mark for one task. So remark will come here and task will get completed. So now you see the task is completed. You can also see the completed status. It was completed by whom, when it was completed, and now this is green because this was completed before time, right? Now we will look at the action. Now you want to create a child task to this task. You can click here and child task will be created. You want to clone this task, you can click here to clone it, and you can delete the task like this. You want to take a printout of this particular task, you will be able to take a printout of the task. So this is how we create a task. Now let's go to the dashboard again. Okay, there's some internet issue. Yeah, let's go back to the dashboard and I'll go to my day. Now you see there are two tasks that are assigned to me on my day. So it will come here on my feed. you see there are no pending tasks on me, because there are no pending tasks which are pending for me. So if you have any pending tasks will appear here, the task that you complete will appear here. Same with checklist. Also on your dashboard, uh, you will see pending task here, complete task here. So that's it. Now you, if you want to see the master list, now you want to see how many drafting works are in pending, so you go to the drafting, you will see all the drafting work here. And you want to see what are the type of tasks that we have. So these are the types of tasks that we have in the master list. And then you want to see the steps, you will get to see the steps here. So this is the overview of how do we use the task to allocate the work. In case of any query, I would like you to get on the one-to-one training. Well, me or my team will be able to help you out. I hope you understood this. Yep. So as of now, we will be using my day and this two section. Here you will get to see pending tasks and completed tasks.